Hey, what's up, VeChain holder? This is an emergency update for all VeChain holders, especially. What's the emergency? First of all, I will tell you, my brothers, to what's the emergency. The emergency is that, my friends, you can see here the last 7 days chart 2.75% the price is increased now, but from last 24 hours minus 1.81% the price is decreased now. So what's the main reason why they fails down, and what's of coming time? Can really they fails down more or not, my brothers? So you can see the last 1 hour they again starting moving upward. So it's mean, my brothers, this is short fail, but after this they again starting moving upward. Now the VeChain price is 0.11 USD dollar, and if we check our friend the chart result, then we understand, my brother, to really there is a chances to VeChain will wake up and go up in the moon. So this is the live chart, my friend. You can see here live trading view and latest, my friend. You can see here. So this chart is going to be showing, my brothers, to this coin is completely fails down, my friend, and the last 24 hours. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, this is the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and from last 7 days, my friend, they will occur positive now. You know what's the reason? Because this time you can see here they take a high jump. You can see 0.12 USD dollar, and again they fails down to 0.1 USD dollar. So it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is completely fails down from our first, my friends, 3 days of this week, but again they take a very huge jump now, and again they recover, my friends. The price is come to 0.11 USD dollar. So it's a really great news, my friend, for all of you. But you can say, my friend, they continuously fails down again now, and the resistance line is 0.110. So it's mean, my brothers, today this coin is going to be good now, because you can see here when they fails down, so it's they recover again now, and very urgently now. So VeChain holder, try to understand. I hope my personal experience tell this, my friends, for upcoming time VeChain will wake up, and because you know, my friend, after a fail every graphic is take a jump. So therefore I know, my brothers, to upcoming time the price will be double now, and they will wake up and they will give you a profit. But let's see, my brother, you need to hold it, don't sell it, wait for the end of this month. I hope, my friends, the price will be double now. So just and only you need to hold and wait. Thanks for watching, VeChain holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel. My opinion is to please hold. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.